Okay, come now, baby. Come. We are going now, baby. Now, bye-bye. Say bye-bye to your bike.
Say bye-bye to your bike. Colleen. Say bye-bye to your bike. Colleen. You have to say bye-bye to your bike. Say bye-bye to your bike.
Going already, Daddy. Come. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Colleen. You're going home. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to your bike.
Okay, 5 more minutes. Oh, don't eat. 5 more minutes, then we will go. Okay?
Colleen, time to go home, okay?
1, 2. Say bye-bye to your bike. Bye-bye, bike. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to your bike. Bye-bye, bike. Next time again, okay?
Now we will go already, okay?
Colleen, say bye-bye to your bike. Say bye-bye to your bike. Colleen. Bye-bye, bike.
Go. You have to go, Colleen. Okay, very good.
Very good.
Say
Wow,
bye-bye.
Colleen
Say bye-bye to your
na.
bike. Bye-bye,
What do you want?
Daddy, I think poop the.
Ah, Colleen, did you poop?
Do you poop?
Look at me, Colleen. Look at me. Colleen, look at me. Colleen,
Do you poop?
look at me.